Hey everyone, so for today we're going to be having a look at a question from our Fortify study guide for legal studies. The question is LS057 and it is a 4-marker question. We're being asked to describe two strengths of the bicameral structure when acting as a check on Parliament. So the first thing we'll be going over is the command term describe. So when we're being asked to describe something, it's important that we provide some level of detail. This basically means that we're providing less detail than we would for an explain question. However, we're still providing more detail than we would for an outline question. The first thing I've done in regards to my response is have had a statement sentence. This basically indicates what my first paragraph will be about, and it shows assessors that I am signposting my response. So I have said, firstly, one strength of the bicameral parliament is that it allows for a review of legislation by the second house. Furthermore, I have added some information to provide my knowledge and to be able to showcase what I have basically meant by my statement sentence. I have said this is because the House of Representatives is usually where bills are introduced, and the Senate acts as the House of Review. Moreover, senators vote upon bills on the interests of states. Next, I have implemented an example, and this adds detail to my response, but it also shows assessors that I'm able to apply my knowledge. I have said, for example, in a Commonwealth Parliament, any law that only appears to support one state more than the other, and not all states, can quickly be rejected. Then I have also included a last sentence as a linking sentence for coherency. I've said, hence, although allowing for review of bills to maintain all states' interests, it acts as an effective lawmaking check on the Commonwealth Parliament. This sentence not only adds coherency to my response, but it also shows that I'm able to link back to why this is a strength. For my second paragraph, I have followed the same structure by first starting off with a statement sentence to showcase what my second paragraph will be based on. I've said, secondly, another strength of the bicameral structure is that a hostile Senate could mean bills are reviewed more meticulously. Then I have provided a little bit of detail just to basically describe what I have meant by my statement sentence. So I have said, this is because a hostile Senate occurs when the upper house is not controlled by the government. I have then implemented an example as well, and this is also to be able to showcase to assessors that I'm able to apply my knowledge. I've said, furthermore, the lack of control by the government means that bills won't be passed easily, and neither will there be room for a rubber stamp approach. And then finally, I have also included a linking sentence, again, not only for coherency, but to also be able to showcase my ability to link back to my statement and to basically showcase why this is a strength. I have said this will result in more debates and consideration in the House of Review, meaning bills will further represent the interests of others and not just the government.